everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be harvesting something today that I have prepared since last year in 2020. If you've already subscribed to my channel, go and subscribe if you haven't already done so. You will know what this is if you've been watching each and every one of my videos so far. So in October 2020, I made what is called an eco-enzyme. For those of you who don't know what an eco-enzyme is, I suggest you to head on over to my channel and watch this video right here, because it will explain everything you need to know about eco-enzymes, like the background and many others. Head on over there and find out more, because I'm not going to re-explain it in this video. So this video will be about me harvesting the ready eco-enzymes. Let's just get to it and prepare the things we need to prepare before we harvest it. Now let's make the harvesting tool. So these are all the items that you will require, that you will need to prepare to make the eco-enzyme harvesting tool. As you can see here, I've already soldered the filter, the smaller plastic bottle with this solder. Be careful when you use this, that's super hot. Don't touch that, obviously. As you can see, the holes are all over the plastic bottle, and also one at the bottom and also one at the top. This is where we will connect the hose in. So this is the filter. We're going to push this inside. Once that's in, push the hose down. And there you have it. This is 1/2 of the harvesting tool. You can use it like this, or you can also, this is a tip from me, you can also use the glue gun to secure the area between the bottle cap and also the hose. Why, in my opinion, it's important? Because if you don't do that, as you can see here, the inside of the hose, as you can see in the inside part, it has a curvature, and then the tip of the hose sometimes touches the walls of the bottle and doesn't really give a smooth stream of the eco-enzyme up the hose. So what I usually do is I kind of move it a bit so that's in a central position, so the hose is in a central position, so not like, you know, sticking to the side of the bottle, and then it will be put in place by putting glue gun around it. Now get the larger bottle, and we're going to be putting in holes at the bottom and also at the top. So there will be 2 holes. The bottom hole here, we will be connecting it to the first section of the harvesting tool. So to this side of the hose. You don't need to go all the way, just a little bit like that. And if you want to secure it, you can also secure it with glue gun. Now that it's connected, we need to connect to the other end. So we're going to connect this with the other part of the hose, the other meter. I'm going to put this in. You don't need to push down the hose all the way to the middle, or not even up to here. All you need to do is just to push it down to the length of the cap, like that, so just up to there, and then you can secure it with glue gun. And there you have it, it's done! This is it! We can start filtering now. For the next step, you need to prepare containers to place the eco-enzymes. For example, I'm using these jerry cans or jerry cans because they're very versatile to use. You can also use other types of bottles and containers and Tupperware, whatever you want.
Trying to figure out what's in my head, like trying to put a needle through some thread. After the flames, still wearing your name on your body. Is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart. Is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart. Blame on you, blame on me, all over nothing. Black and gold, disposable, could have been something.
Ta-da! 2 bottles. This will last a long time. It's very multi-purpose. For its benefits and uses, watch my previous video. It's all explained there. And because I still have a lot of leftover, I'm actually not going to bottle these, but I'm actually going to make another phase of fermentation, because I think I want to ferment this a bit more. So I'm gonna be putting in sugar, and hopefully in the next batch I will get some pitera. As we saw in the beginning, there was some pitera there, but not as much. So I'm gonna be putting in a bit more sugar and then have another phase of fermentation.
After the flames, still wearing your name on your wire.
Remember that eco-enzymes has no expiration period, so it can just last for ages. And for example, if you want to add a new batch, all you need to do is just to add in a little bit of a liquid from a previous batch, and then you can ferment more quickly. So this is the final product, my multi-purpose DIY eco-enzyme. And look at how clean it looks because it's well filtered using my method. So do try it at home. Don't forget to watch the previous video about how to make the eco-enzyme from scratch before this one. I'm sure that it will be very helpful for you to make your own at home. And yeah, always love the environment. Find ways that is more eco-friendly to implement in your household. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
The only one who can't let go now.